Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video, I'm going to talk about one-to-one functions. Function f of x, function f of x is said to be one-to-one if f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies to x1 equal to x2. Or can say also if x1 not equal to x2 implies to f of x1 not equal to f of x2, to f of x2. Okay. To f of x2. Okay, now example. If we have f of x is equal to 4x plus 10. Now if f of x1 equal to x2, f of x1 equal to f of x2. Now what is the f of x1? Replace x by x1. So f of x4, x plus 10. So we have here 4x1 plus 10 equal to f of x2, replace x by x2 now, will be 4x2 plus 10. Okay, so now 10 from both sides is 0. So then we have here 4x1 equal to 4x2. Divide by 4, both sides. So then we have here x1 is equal to x2. That is mean you have f of x equal 4x plus 10 is 1-to-1. Another example. We have f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 7. Now, if I have f of x1 equal to f of x2, that's the x1, this one is x2. Now what the x1 will be 2x1 cubed, 2x1 cubed plus 7. Place x by x1 equal f of x2 will be 2x2 cubed plus 7. Clear? Now 7. Okay. Then we have 2x1 cubed. 2x1 cubed equal to x2 cubed. Okay. Divide by 2. So I have now, we have here x1 cubed equal to x2 cubed. x2 cubed. And clear, cube will not affect both sides. So it will be here, cube root will be here x1 equal to x2. So that is mean, here I have the function 2x cubed plus 7 is 1-to-1. So then the function f of x equal 2x cubed plus 7 is 1-to-1 function. It's 1-to-1 function. Another example. See here. Example, if we have even power, like I have f of x equal to 5x squared plus 10. Even power, if I have different values, give us the same output. What we said here, different values. the same, not the same output, different output. So if I have x1, fx equal to x2, implies to x1 equal to x2, 1 to 1, or we said different values give us different output, not the same output. But here, if I have different, now I have input will give us the same output. See here, if I said f of, for example, -1, and here it is x1, and here I have f of 1. So now I have here 1 and -1. So this is x1, this is x2, or not the same. The first one equal to 5. You have x squared plus 10 equal to -1 square 1, so it'll be 15. So 15. F of 1 equal to 5. F of 1 squared plus 10. So equal also to 15. Now see, f of -1 equal to f of 1, both of them 15. But we have x1 not equal to x2. Fx1 equal to fx2, both of them are 15, but 1 not equal to negative. So now what I have the function f of x5, x squared plus 10 is not this one. Okay, this one not one-to-one function. One-to-one function. Another example. Let's say example f of x equal to absolute value 2x plus 6 here. Okay. Now, absolute value of 6 also will be not one-to-one. For example, if I said f of 1, what is f of 1 here I have? Will be 2 plus 6, and absolute value of 8 is equal to what? Is equal to 8. So f of, I have here, let us say -7, equal to -7 of what I have -7, here -7, x -7 will be absolute value of 2 times -7 plus 6, -7, absolute value. Okay, absolute value. Here we have. Now this one is equal to absolute value of -14 plus 6, and here absolute value of -8, which is equal to 8. See here now what I have. We have f of 1 equal to what? Equal to 8. And we have f of -7 also what? Also 8. But we have x1, which is equal to 1, not equal to x2, which is equal to what? To -7. The output equal, both of them 8, but the input here not the same. Not the same, the input, not the same. See, this is the definition here. What we said, if they are not the same, should be the output to be not the same. If they are equal, should what? If x1 equal to x2, what implies x1 equal to x2. But here what you have are different. Both of them 8, but x1 is 1, while x2 is -7, not equal. So now what do you have? We have f of x, this function, which is equal to absolute value 2x plus 6, not 1 to 1. This one not 1 to 1.